guys, welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to talk about my small business and show you guys how we created our first bulk order. First of all, the name of my business is V Scrunchies. I started it online in October 2022 with the help of my family. A huge shout out to them and especially Ammi for sewing them. What I'm doing here is checking for damages and remaining pieces of threads and cutting them. What makes our scrunchies unique is that they are all made in XL size using more quality fabric for the volume. As girls, we always tend to break our hair when we remove hair ties after using them. XL scrunchies are a solution to that. The fabric provides an extra layer of padding between your hair and the elastic, therefore it's less likely to damage your hair when removing it. These are some scrunchies that are almost out of stock, so I'm putting them in another container. This order was from Kalubovida. She ordered 13 scrunchies, all from different colors. Another thing that makes our business unique is that we customize scrunchies for your likings. We can create your favorite looks from your favorite patterns or colors and sizes. When we launch our scrunchies, we always launch a very limited amount from each pattern or color because it makes it special. We also gift a mini scrunchie as a freebie with every purchase you make. Our logo was designed by my brother. This was our first bulk order. They ordered 54 scrunchies from these colors for their school Christmas carol ceremony. But they wanted it so urgently we had to create them in less than 48 hours and deliver it too. So I measured all the fabric and cut them while I sewed them. Tati helped a lot in cutting the fabrics too. It took us a very long time. We had to finish making the order from one day because we had to deliver it the next morning. We worked until midnight and completed the order so that we could deliver it in the morning. They came out so pretty and I'm so happy about that. They loved it as much as we loved making them. They also sent us some photos of them wearing our scrunchies. It's the best. Thank you for watching guys. Hope you enjoyed it.